Typing Arabic on smartphones is quite straightforward, especially with Google Keyboard. It's particularly useful for those wanting to write in modern standard Arabic, Fusha, the formal language used for writing news and more. Besides typing Arabic letters, the Google Keyboard also facilitates creating vowel marks, making it easier for beginners to pronounce Arabic words accurately. To enable Arabic input, tap the More menu, represented by 4 squares, and then choose Settings. Look at the top section for the language option. Choose Add Keyboard, then search for the Arabic keyboard. For ease, tap the search bar and type Saudi to find it quickly. In search results, the Saudi Arabic keyboard will appear. Tap Arabic Saudi to enable the Arabic keyboard and confirm by pressing the Done button in the bottom right corner. Return to your word processor app. To switch to the Arabic keyboard, tap the globe icon beside the spacebar. This button lets you change between languages. Alternatively, long press the spacebar until a language selection dialog pops up, then choose your desired keyboard. In addition to typing Arabic letters, the Google Keyboard can also be used to add diacritical marks or accents. Before I continue with this tutorial, please spare a moment to hit the like button and subscribe. To add accents, it's helpful to know how to move the cursor. You can shift the cursor by touching the spacebar and sliding your finger left or right. To add accents, place the cursor after the letter you want to accent, then press the dot key until accent options appear. Slide your finger to the desired accent and release. Typing Arabic on a smartphone with Google Keyboard is easy, isn't it? Hope this tutorial helps. See you in the next Droid Tips tutorial.